Welcome to the Western Ghats, one of the world's biodiversity hotspots and home to some of the most amazing animals on the planet. But among these wonders, there is one creature that is so elusive and mysterious that it has been seen by very few people and never photographed in the wild. This is the story of the Malabar Civet, one of the rarest mammals in India and the world. Join us for Wild Wonders of India, the Rare 10. Today, we venture into the dense Western Ghats forests to discover the Malabar Civet. With its black and white markings and banded tail, it's a sight to behold. But sightings are rare, making this journey all the more exciting. The Malabar Civet is a member of the vivarid family, which includes civets, genets, and mongooses. It is about the size of a small dog, with a long body, short legs, and a banded tail. It has black and white markings on its fur, which help it camouflage in the dark forest. It is a nocturnal animal, which means it is active only at night and feeds on fruits, insects, rodents, and small birds. Civets are found in Africa, Asia, and Europe, and have adapted to various habitats and lifestyles. Some civets are arboreal, which means they live in trees, while others are terrestrial, which means they live on the ground. Some civets are solitary, while others are social. Some civets are famous for producing a musky substance called civetone, which is used in perfumes and medicines. And some civets are even involved in the production of one of the most expensive coffees in the world, called Kopi Luwak or civet coffee. The Malabar civet was first described by a British naturalist named Edward Blyth in 1862, based on a specimen from southern Malabar. Since then, only a few more specimens have been collected or observed by scientists. The last confirmed sighting of a live Malabar civet was in 1990, when some skins were recovered from a small town in Kerala. Since then, there have been only unconfirmed reports and rumors of its existence. The Malabar civet is so rare and secretive that even local people have little knowledge or awareness of it. Many people do not know how to distinguish it from other similar-looking animals or do not believe that it still exists. Some people may have seen it without realizing what it was or may have mistaken it for something else. In recent years, several researchers have been conducting surveys and studies to search for the Malabar civet in its potential habitat. They use various methods and technologies to try to capture its image or identify its genetic material. So far, they have not been successful in finding any conclusive proof of its existence. The Malabar civet faces many threats and challenges that may have pushed it to the brink of extinction. Its habitat has been fragmented and degraded by human activities such as agriculture, logging, mining, and development. It has been hunted and poached for its fur, meat, and musk. It has been killed by vehicles on roads that cross its territory. And it has to compete with other animals such as dogs, cats, foxes, and jackals for food and space. The Malabar civet is one of the most endangered animals in the world and needs urgent conservation action. Some steps have been taken to protect its habitat and reduce its threats. These include creating and expanding protected areas where it may occur, raising awareness and education among local people and authorities, involving local communities in conservation activities and monitoring, and supporting research and surveys to find more information about it. The Malabar civet is a wild wonder of India that deserves our attention and respect. It is a symbol of the rich and unique biodiversity of the Western Ghats. It is a mystery that challenges our curiosity and imagination. It is a survivor that defies the odds and expectations. It is a treasure that we cannot afford to lose. The Malabar civet may still be out there, hiding in the shadows of the night, waiting for us to discover it. Let us hope that one day, we will be able to see it with our own eyes and marvel at its beauty and grace. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. What is a Malabar civet? A Malabar civet is a rare and endangered species of civet, a small carnivorous mammal that is endemic to the Western Ghats of India. It has black and white markings, a banded tail, and a large body size compared to other civets. How can I identify a Malabar civet? A Malabar civet can be distinguished from other civets by its larger size, longer fur, more prominent spots, and less distinct stripes. It also has a black patch on the throat and chest, and a white patch on the lower abdomen. Where can I find a Malabar civet? A Malabar civet is very elusive and has not been seen or photographed in the wild with certainty. It is believed to inhabit moist evergreen forests and plantations in the Western Ghats, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. However, its exact distribution and population size are unknown. What does a Malabar civet eat? A Malabar civet is an omnivore that feeds on fruits, insects, rodents, birds, reptiles, and carrion. It may also raid poultry farms and garbage dumps near human settlements. Why is a Malabar civet endangered? A Malabar civet is endangered because of habitat loss, fragmentation, degradation, hunting, poaching, and competition with other carnivores. It is also threatened by diseases transmitted by domestic dogs and cats. It is listed as critically endangered by the IUCN Red List and protected under CITES Appendix 3. As we conclude this journey into the world of the Malabar civet, we're reminded of the importance of preserving our planet's unique and endangered species. The Malabar civet is just one example of the remarkable wildlife that calls India home. In our next chapter of Wild Wonders of India, The Rare 10, we'll take you to the stunning landscapes of the Himalayas, where we'll encounter another magnificent creature, the Lophophorus Himalayan mammal. Its vibrant plumage and majestic presence are sure to leave you in awe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next installment of our wild adventure. Thank you for joining us in celebrating the wonders of India's diverse wildlife. Together, let's protect and preserve these rare treasures for generations to come.